Checking out a BAOFENG radio. This one is the GT-5R Pro. And this is a great radio for someone who's learning ham radio, for someone that just wants to keep in touch, for someone that already has their ham and is looking for a second radio, something that's durable and useful, that can be carried in a vehicle. Very economical option. And this is an upgraded model of their past versions, so this one is backwards compatible with all of those accessories. Let's take a look at what comes in the box with this one, this GT-5R Pro. Lots of accessories, literally everything you're going to need to run the radio. So to begin with, the radio itself, rugged, durable, compact size, comes with the battery pack, easy to install. There we go. And then we have the antenna. Screws right on, and it's a universal adapter there, so you can use other radios. A belt clip, if you're planning on using it that way. A lanyard, if you're planning on carrying it. There's the lapel mic and earphone, which can plug into the side here. And this standard interface can be used with lots of different radios or lots of different accessories. Simple to turn on. This one can be used as a scanner. It can listen to the weather radios, bands. It can monitor, but it's also a transmitter. So with a ham license, you can use this as a ham radio. And without a ham license, you can use this legally as a scanner and a monitor. Coverage is going to be anywhere from 1 to 2 miles within a city, up to 7 miles out in the open. It's multi-band and can be used with the NOA weather radios, and it has the voice-operated microphone for ham operators to use it as a radio as well. And this one will work with the accessories from the UV5 BAOFENG series. I want to thank BAOFENG for sending us this one to check out. Very nice radio. Hope this helps.